Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about retirement investing in 2025, today's video is a must-watch. We're diving into a full review of Robinhood's IRA, covering the pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is a Robinhood IRA? It's a retirement account offered by Robinhood, the popular trading app, allowing you to invest in stocks, ETFs, and more on a tax-advantaged basis. They provide options like traditional and Roth IRAs, making it accessible for beginners and seasoned investors alike. Now, let's talk about the pros. One of the biggest advantages is the zero-commission trading. That's right, you can buy and sell investments without paying fees, which can save you a ton of money over time. Robinhood also offers a 1% match on contributions for Roth IRAs, and it can go up to 3% with direct deposits, essentially giving you free money for your retirement. The app's interface is incredibly user-friendly, with intuitive tools and educational resources that make it easy for newcomers to navigate the world of investing. Plus, fractional shares let you invest in expensive stocks with just a few dollars. But, as with any investment platform, there are cons to consider. Robinhood has faced regulatory scrutiny in the past, including issues with account restrictions and trading halts, which could affect your access during volatile markets. Their investment options are somewhat limited compared to competitors. For example, you might not find as many alternative assets like real estate or bonds. Additionally, the gamified features of the app, think confetti and rewards, might encourage impulsive trading, which isn't ideal for long-term retirement goals and could lead to higher risks. In conclusion, Robinhood IRA is a great pick for those who want a simple, low-cost way to start investing for retirement, especially if you're already a Robinhood user. However, if you need more advanced tools or a broader range of options, you might want to explore other brokers. Always do your own research and consult a financial advisor. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.